is to plant trees under whose shade you do not expect to sit.
You know, I really admire trees because they get rid of all the bad pollutants on the earth that we make. They also provide us with food, lots and lots of food, like from fruit and nuts, and just trees in general are great. I also feel like it's a great place for wilderness to hibernate. And you know, sometimes we just get mad at them and we just want to like chop them down and use it to build our log cabins, and I think that's great.
Trees. I hate them. They're just coarse, rough, irritating, and they're just everywhere. Like, there's so many different types of trees. Like cheeses. And I can't even have cheese.